I used to refill my washing up liquid from a 5-litre bottle, thinking this would save plastic. But I thought, there's got to be a better way of doing this. And there is. It's washing up liquid that's a powder. The HomeThings washing up liquid starter pack consists of a plastic bottle and a single refill of powder. To refill, you need a couple of jugs, one with water and another to put the powder refill into. Make sure you follow the instructions on the sachet and not the bottle, as they have changed recently and it's much easier to mix it in the jug. Put the refill powder into the jug and then add the warm water. Stir it, and I use a fork because I find that dissolves the powder better. It does clump a little bit, but providing there isn't too much clumping, you can still pour it into the bottle and it will eventually dissolve. I don't like to leave it in the jug too long, as it can go a bit thick and be more difficult to pour. Put the lid back on, give it a shake, and there you have it, one bottle of washing up liquid. I have found that occasionally the nozzle on here can get a little bit blocked, so just a small brush into the nozzle there, give it a bit of poke around, and that makes it work perfectly again. Smoll have introduced an alternative product, and it comes pre-mixed in a Tetra Pak style carton, and they claim that it reduces the carbon footprint by 45% compared to using recycled plastic. Smoll advise you to recycle these Tetra Pak style cartons in your local recycling. Certainly Tetra Paks can't be recycled here in Northumberland in the UK, so my only alternative would be to send them back to Smoll for recycling. I'm not entirely sure how practical that would be. I really like the HomeThings products, particularly the fact that they come in a powder format. You simply add your own water. And the fragrance is this apple and nashi pear, and in this case the cleaning fluid, which you can see the video linked up above, is grapefruit and mandarin, and they do the job really well. They clean excellently. If you've enjoyed this video and would like to know about other products we've reviewed and see our future videos, please like and subscribe. It does make a big difference to us. And just remember, those small changes really can make a huge difference.